All right, I'm changing headlight bulb. It's 2013 Dodge Charger. Two different ways to do this. Passenger side, it's a lot easier to do it this way. Got my wheel cut, took all the push pins out. They all came out pretty easy on this one, luckily. Just took all the push pins off the front side, not the back side. Now we can get to the bottom of our headlight bulb. I already took the cover off, that was really easy. Now inside there, we have, let me see if I can get a good look. Little plastic ring that goes around that headlight. And it's supposed to turn, but this one's jammed. I know the bumper's been replaced on this before, and it just will not turn. It's not happening. It's supposed to spin. So I'm gonna see what I can do to get this unjammed, and I'll get right back to you. All right, we got our headlight out. This is how it works. So you plug it into the headlight, boom, and then you spin this black piece to lock it in. That's how it works. Unlocked, locked. So when you put it in the headlight, you're going to want to be able to twist this clockwise, put it in the headlight, and then spin it, and it locks it in on these teeth, 3 teeth. One of the teeth broke off getting it out. See that one right there? I still got 2. So we're going to see if we can find some new black pieces. So it does not spin very easily at all. It's getting looser the more I work it. I might put a little grease on it or something, I don't know. But it was jammed in there. I had to take a screwdriver on one of these ears at an angle. Like a blunt screwdriver, not too sharp. And I started tapping with my mini hammer here. Because you can't really get much room up in here. So I was able to get a screwdriver up in there. And at an angle. And tap that sucker in there. Just tap, 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 and then it came loose. It spun, and then it just came out. So these, both sides are jammed up in there. So you can go through the splash guard like this, and then I'll show you how to go up through the top on the driver's side. The driver's side has a little bit more room, so you can actually do it easier. So I'll show you that in a second. So when you install this, the open side is down. So you pop it in there, open side on the black piece is down, and then you spin the black piece around it. This black piece just comes right off of the headlight, slides into grooves. See, it's coming out. So we're gonna slide this black piece onto our new headlight, like that, snap it in, open side down by the wiring harness, put it in there, and then spin it to lock it in. All right, we got her installed back in there. I put the wiring harness on first. You gotta be careful not to knock that bulb on something. You gotta get a nice straight look to see you're feeding it through the hole of the headlight. Then you gotta do a little wiggle jiggle on the back of this to get it set into the right place. And then once it's all the way flush, then you spin that black piece with your fingers. And it's not easy to do. It's uncomfortable. So this is another episode of Stupid Car Designs. I can think of 100 different ways that would be easier. So there we go. It's in there, even with that one broken tab, it's in there nice and tight. Let's do the one from the top side on the driver's side without taking the splash guard off. All right, before I show you the top side of doing the driver's side over there, let's get back to this cap. See, it's got these 2 little hooks. So we're gonna put that back on this passenger side. We're gonna fish it through there. Oh, where are you? Maybe I should have done this with the splash guard off, but either way, there we go, I got it locked in. Not too hard. All right, now this one, let's get a good look in there. We can't get a good look. There we go. There she is. Got our cap off. We're gonna twist this black piece. I already got it loosened up. Twist the black piece and it comes out. So we can get on it just like this. But that black piece was jammed on just like the other side. So what I used was I grabbed onto the actual headlight because we're replacing it anyways. I used some channel locks, like so. And I could grip onto the back of that and spin it. And in the process, 2 of the tabs broke. So, I'm definitely gonna get one for this side. You can actually do this one without taking the splash guard off. But I think it's a lot easier to take the splash guard, peel it back, and get a straight shot on it. Because this is just a real awkward angle. And I played with that for a while to get that black piece to come off. I think the plastic just warps over time with the heat of the headlamp or something. And it just seizes on there. So we'll get a replacement headlight retainer plastic piece for that side. So we don't want that headlight bulb wobbling around and going out again. That's how you do her.